Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your college email ID. Your college email serves as your primary lifeline to academic life, connecting you with professors, advisors, and campus services. It is absolutely essential for receiving important announcements, assignment updates, and financial aid information. Activate it as soon as you receive your initial login credentials, usually within a few days of your acceptance. This ensures you are immediately connected and fully informed from day one. Managing your college email effectively is crucial for staying organized amidst many communications. Create specific folders for each course, like Biology 101 or English 205, and use labels for departmental announcements. Set aside about 10 minutes each week to clear out spam or old messages, ensuring your inbox remains tidy. Remember to explore the integrated calendar for scheduling study groups and setting assignment reminders. It truly helps keep everything in order. Professionalism in your college emails reflects positively on you and enhances communication. Always include a descriptive subject line, for instance, question about Lab Report 1 John Doe, so recipients immediately understand the content. Address professors formally using their title, like Dr. Smith or Professor Johnson, and maintain a respectful tone throughout your message. Before hitting send, take a quick moment to proofread for any typos or grammatical mistakes. It makes a substantial difference. Protecting your college email is paramount, as it contains sensitive personal and academic information. Always use a robust password, perhaps 14 characters long, incorporating a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Activating multi-factor authentication is also vital. It typically requires a code from your phone in addition to your password. Never, under any circumstances, share your password or click on unexpected links, especially those asking for login credentials. These are often phishing attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.